Hi, Paul Dombowski from Liberty Street Software. We had a customer request we do a video on how to export data for use in other programs. That's often the case. You may be using another piece of business software and you can import our data from there. Um, so there's a couple ways to do this. One way, if you just want to dump of all the data, just dump all the data into a spreadsheet. What you can use is export under the file menu. So you select File Export and click on Microsoft Excel here. Give the file a name, export file a name, and so once we've done that, notice here I exported to the public documents folder, and I've got the spreadsheet here. So if I open it up, I'll see a dump of all the columns in the program. So uh, if I scroll over, you'll see the additional data as well, user-defined data. So basically every column in the program is being exported here. Now if you want to restrict the information you see, what you can do is create a report and just export the report to a CSV file, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's say we want to create a report that shows certain fields. Just simply for the export, we can use the Create Assets report under the reporting menu. And let's say we want to export purchase data, so call it purchase info. And here you can select what data you want to see in the exported report. So let's say we don't need brand name, but we do want to keep the bought from, base cost, tax information, date purchased, etc. We want to move the asset number up a bit, so we can just do that. So once this is done, we're going to create a report called purchase info. It's going to be in a reports folder, and it's going to include these columns. So I click on create report and close. And now I can run a report. Let's run a report on all the data in the program. I'm selecting output report using all data from the reporting menu. Here we've got the purchase info report that I just created. And now here under print options, what I'm going to do is, if you notice at the bottom here, there's a text CSV format. I'm going to select that, and I'm also going to select the options, and the reason for that is I want to show a header line. The default is not to show the header, the column headers, but I want to do that. So I'll select print once, click OK, and that looks good. So click start. Now it's going to ask us the name. I'll just call it export purchase info, and open the file in the registered application after is always a handy thing to click on. So I click save, and what it does is going to bring up Notepad with the information that I just exported. So here you can see all of the column names, and below there is all the data separated by columns, and the each information field is surrounded by quotes. Now you can also change that in the preferences as well if you need to do that. So anyway, so now the report's ready for import into your favorite accounting program or whatever you may be using. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening.